Hey sunshines, how's it going? I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a cleaning and decluttering of mine and my husband's desks because honestly, they need it. If you enjoy cleaning videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to get notifications. Also, feel free to follow me over on Instagram to keep up with my day-to-day life, and I post on there whenever I upload a video as well. But that's enough rambling for now. Let's get into some cleaning. Before we get right into the cleaning, I wanted to show you some before shots because it might be a little bit embarrassing, but that's the reality of a well-loved desk. The desks that we use are from IKEA from the Mike series. Mine's on the left and his is to the right. His is mostly used for gaming, so he didn't need a big space, but I use mine for computer work as well as for my art, so I needed a wider surface area to work on. Step one is simply going to be getting everything off the surface of the desks so that I can give everything a good wipe down because honestly, it's been a hot minute since the last time I dusted. Next up, I need to tackle the drawers. I'll start by taking everything out so I can actually clean the drawer itself, but also so I can easily see everything I have and decide if there's anything I can do without or if I can organize things in a better way. I'm just removing everything from the containers so I can give the containers a little wash and see if I can find a better way to organize my supplies.
divided things roughly into the categories of tech things, self-care things for when I do my nails at my desk, drawing supplies, writing supplies, and then fancier pens and markers. Here, I'm adding the liner to the right side drawer, which I meant to do when I originally organized these drawers at the beginning of the year and just never got around to. I didn't do any fancy measuring or anything, I just dropped it into the drawer and pushed it into the corner to create a crease to cut along. When I placed it back into the drawer, I just faced the cut edge into the back so that if it wasn't perfectly straight, I wouldn't have to see it. Last time my nephew visited, he made some awesome art for me with these Crayola markers, and we were having too much fun to worry about putting them back in order, so I'm just doing that now. The other thing I'll do is switch the way I have these drawers organized, because right now I have my art and writing tools in the left-hand drawer and all my papers and less often used items on the right. But when I'm doing art or bullet journaling, I slide my chair over to the empty left-hand side of the desk, so I'm blocking the one drawer I need to access more often. It just makes more sense for my workflow to switch around which items go where. I also needed to switch my calendar over to October, and I wanted to show you the artwork I keep by my desk. I picked up this baby Baphomet piece in Salem. It was drawn by Ryan Murray of Black Veil Tattoos. This book was made by a lovely acquaintance of mine. It's a collection of modern witches and their familiars from Inktober 2017. I'll link to both her and Black Veil Tattoos in the description box below if you want to check out some super rad art. I seem to have fooled some people into thinking I'm some perfect minimalist, but this corner next to my desk was supposed to be a space for extra storage and printer. I never bought the storage and my printer broke, so now it's a spot for dust and stuff. Most people have a junk drawer, but I have a whole junk corner, and spoiler alert, it's not the only one in my house. Lastly, I'm placing my bonsai tree, which was a birthday gift from my lovely friends, and my little Scully from Salem.
Let me know in the comments below what your workspace currently looks like. Are you a fan of the organized chaos, or do you need complete order to get in that flow? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Okay, listen up a little bit. Okay. Hey, sunshines. Great, delete this clip. If I keep staring at the camera, maybe I'll remember what I wanted to say. I don't think it's working.